If you're a homeowner in Eagle, Idaho, you know how important it is to have a peaceful and comfortable home environment, especially in a place where seasonal temperature swings, neighborhood growth, and nearby traffic can all impact your quality of life. While most people focus on HVAC upgrades or insulation to improve indoor comfort, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is window replacement. New, professionally installed windows don't just improve energy efficiency and curb appeal. They can also play a major role in reducing noise and enhancing the overall comfort of your living space. Here's how window replacement in Eagle can help transform your home into a quieter, cozier sanctuary. Enhanced energy efficiency means more comfortable rooms. Eagle experiences both warm, sunny summers and chilly winters. If your home has older, single-pane windows or drafty frames, chances are you're struggling with uneven temperatures, cold drafts, and high energy bills. Modern replacement windows are designed to eliminate those issues with features such as double or triple pane glass low-E coatings that reflect heat and UV rays, gas fills, like argon or krypton, between panes for added insulation, and tightly sealed frames and weather stripping. Together, these features create a thermal barrier that keeps warm air in during winter and hot air out during summer. The result? Stable, consistent indoor temperatures year-round. No more hot spots near windows or chilly drafts in the middle of the night. Reduction in outside noise for a quieter home. Eagle has seen steady growth in recent years, and with it comes more traffic, new construction, and increased neighborhood activity. If outside noise is affecting your peace and quiet, replacing your windows can make a dramatic difference. Here's how new windows reduce noise. Thicker, multi-pane glass helps block sound waves. Laminated glass options contain a sound-dampening layer. Well-insulated frames and sashes prevent noise leaks. Tight seals eliminate gaps that allow sound to travel inside. Whether it's early morning traffic, barking dogs, or lawnmowers, modern replacement windows help filter out disruptive sounds, allowing you to enjoy your home in peace. Improved sleep and concentration. Noise doesn't just affect your comfort, it can impact your health and well-being. Constant background noise can disrupt sleep cycles, raise stress levels, reduce productivity, especially in home offices or study areas. By replacing your windows, you create a quieter environment that supports better rest, focus, and relaxation. This is especially important if you work from home, have small children, or live in a busy area of Eagle. Customized solutions for maximum comfort. Window replacement is not one size fits all. In Eagle, you can work with a local window professional to choose styles and features that suit your specific needs. For example, casement windows are great for ventilation and sealing tightly against noise. Double-hung windows offer versatility and easy cleaning. Awning windows can be placed high on walls for privacy and airflow. With customizable glass types, frame materials, and locking systems, you can design a window solution that enhances both comfort and functionality. Long-term value and peace of mind. Replacing your windows is an investment, but it's one that delivers immediate and long-term returns. Along with improved comfort and reduced noise, you'll benefit from lower energy bills, increased home value, modern aesthetics, improved home security and durability. Most replacement windows also come with strong warranties, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected for years to come. Final thoughts. Enjoy a quieter, more comfortable home in Eagle. If you're tired of drafty rooms, disruptive noise, or soaring energy costs, it's time to consider window replacement in Eagle. With advanced materials, sound-reducing technology, and energy-efficient designs, today's windows offer a powerful solution to common homeowner frustrations. Reach out to a trusted local window expert today and discover how replacing your windows can help you enjoy a more comfortable, quieter, and energy-smart home, season after season.